Dr. Green and class. This is Jessica Jones, and I would like to share my PowerPoint presentation on sleep disorders with you. Sleep disorders, a public health issue. A major health problem in American society. Sleep disorders are biopsychosocial in their causes and effects. Scope of the problem. Epidemiologic surveys by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, 2009, suggests that the average sleep duration in U.S. adults has decreased during the past 20 years. Wells, 2012. About a third of American adults report getting less than 7 hours of sleep per night. Centers for Disease Control, 2018. Poor or irregular sleep, less than 7 hours per night, causes poor concentration, increased anxiety, and depression, substance abuse, obesity, lost productivity, and accidents. Sleep disorders played a part in the Exxon Valdez disaster, 3 Mile Island nuclear accident, and the Chernobyl nuclear disaster. Wells, 2012. Biological and the social causes. Circadian rhythm disturbances. The neuroendocrine imbalances. Marano et al. 2011 find healthy sleep depends on the interaction of the endocrine and nervous systems. Some individuals have a genetic vulnerability to poor sleep. Circadian rhythms change during adolescence, and teens may need more sleep than younger children. Lifestyle issues such as dependence on cell phones, social media, our work schedules, and noise and light may interfere with these rhythms, affecting the homeostatic balance that promotes sleep. Marano et al. 2011. Pieters et al. 2014. Health effects. Poor sleep is associated with many health issues, including obesity, anxiety, depression, cardiac problems, and substance abuse. And adolescents may have problems in school due to lack of sleep. CDC. And the biological causes. Hormones, including peptides and steroids, are involved in producing restful sleep. Like cardiac health, sleep depends on the interaction of the endocrine and nervous systems. When sleep is disrupted, other physiological processes suffer as well. Poor sleep can lead to cardiac problems, increased risk of type 2 diabetes, and weight gain. Psychological effects. Poor sleep is associated with stress and depression. Again, because of the interruption of the homeostatic and circadian patterns that regulate the nervous and the endocrine systems. Marano et al. 2011. Blake, Shiver, Yosef, Rentini, and Allen 2017 found that sleep hygiene programs address negative thought processes and unhelpful beliefs about sleep through a focus on bedtime worry and rumination. 2017, page 229. Insomnia and sleep disturbances were linked to anxiety among adolescents through their internalizing worries while lying awake. Good sleep hygiene. The National Science Foundation recommends the following as good sleep hygiene practices. Establish consistent sleep and wake schedules, even on the weekends. Create a regular, relaxing bedtime routine, such as soaking in a hot bath or listening to soothing music. Begin an hour or more before the time you expect to fall asleep. Create a sleep-conducive environment that is dark, quiet, comfortable, and cool. Sleep on a comfortable mattress and pillows. Use your bedroom only for sleep and sex. Keep sleep stealers out of the bedroom. Avoid watching television, using a computer, or reading in bed. Finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before your regular bedtime. Exercise regularly during the day or at least a few hours before bedtime. Avoid caffeine and alcohol close to bedtime, and give up smoking. Wells, 2010. Young adults, an interdisciplinary approach. Gruber, 2013, finds many youth and their parents are uninformed about the importance of sleep. Gruber is concerned that children and adolescents often do not have adequate sleep, and she has developed a sleep education program geared toward youth. She proposed an integrated school-based effort by researchers, educators, parents, and the community to acknowledge that sleep deprivation is a public health issue facing young people and to educate them on the importance of getting enough sleep. The program stresses bedtime routines and sleep hygiene along with a self-assessment for the children based on scientific principles. Gruber, 2013, page 67. Wheaton, Chapman, and Croft, 2016, recommend a later starting time for the school day. Education programs for workers and employers. Our society stresses productivity, and sometimes our drive to be productive can interfere with our sleep. Increase awareness of dangers of sleep deprivation on driving or operating machinery. Promote awareness of negative impacts of shift work and long working hours. Promote awareness that sleep deprivation can lead to anxiety, substance abuse, and other unhealthy activities. Betancourt et al., 2010. Role of the psychologist. Poor sleep may cause increased stress and depression. There appears to be a two-way cause-effect relationship between anxiety and depression and sleep disorders. And sleep deprivation also can be associated with psychosis. There may also be a relationship with substance abuse, excessive dependence on technology, etc. Centers for Disease Control, 2018. A psychologist can discuss sleep with his or her clients and suggest lifestyle changes. For clients who work long hours, napping may improve performance and mood. In addition to promoting good sleep hygiene, a psychologist can use relaxation techniques such as hypnosis or yoga, relaxing music, melatonin, essential oils, and other techniques. Natural alternatives. Essential oils, such as lavender, are good for helping people to relax and sleep. Roman chamomile oil or tea is also soothing. Valerian capsules calm the nervous system. I have used these techniques along with listening to relaxation music. I order my supplies from Young Living Company, but other brands of oils and teas can be found in natural food stores. Sleep can restore our psychological and physical equilibrium. Thank you very much.